Hey, in this video I cut, move and combine two of my beloved garments, letting the fabrics meet freely. There are two pieces. I started with a beige floral top and a squared shirt, two pieces that had nothing in common. I use as a pattern an old shirt, and I want to make this floral shirt wider. That's why I need to measure a little bit how wider I need to do it. I will use the buttons as my central line, and all the pieces will tie together. Now I am showing how I will cut the squared shirt to make the front of my new shirt. I will sew on those lines to make the front, so the shirt will be wider. I sewed those pieces, and I am measuring to see if it's the same height. Now I will work on the back using the back of the squared shirt for the lower back. And I will do the same design to make it wider. That's why I will need to cut the squared shirt and to add some pieces I am playing with now. I measure a little bit. I cut on the squares. This is the final bag. Well, the buttons are the central line, how I said, and they tie together the shirt. It's not perfect, but it's one of a kind. So I think that's the beauty of upcycling when thinking how to make it look together two pieces that have nothing in common. I play with cotton and there's viscose in the floral shirt. So it's like good materials. I don't know, the viscose, it's not like cotton, but it's one shirt that I have worn a lot. So I try to upcycle that, not buy new one. I need to sew those pieces together, and yeah, I am measuring to see if it's at the same height, and yeah, that's a really hard part, to put the buttons at the same height. Now I want to add sleeves. They are the original sleeves. I need to find the central point, pin them together, and sew after that. And I'll do the same with the other sleeve. Find the center point, pin together in place, and sew. I am showing now how the shirt looks like after I have sewn that. I really like it. I had to make some thoughts before how to do it, but it's quite okay. I think all the pieces come good, tied good together. So it's a nice piece in the end. It's wearable. Now I'm thinking how to make the collar. It's something I don't do it so much, so I don't have experience with that. So I cut and sew and cut and sew until I find a way out. But I use the fabrics from the original shirt, and I'm happy with that. I will leave a little bit of margin, an edge here, so I can turn around. Careful. Like that. I think I need a better scissor. I am making little cuts on the material so it will fold okay. After ironing, now I want to give a fine finish to the collar, so I will add a bias tape. It was not long enough to make all the collar, but it's like a statement blouse now, so it looks good with that bias tape how I added. And it gives a better finish. And because I took the fabric from the shirt, it matches very well and has that round shape. I'm ironing so it will stay better in place. I gave a little stitch, hand stitch, because I want to stay better on the shirt. It was not enough only with pinning the bias tape. Now I'm sewing the sleeves. I let the sleeves be shorter because they are the original sleeves. I think it's better to be like this, short. Only normal hem here for the sleeves, not bias tape. Well, I am quite impressed of the color, how it looks in end. It has the round shape and it's okay. And it's strong because I put the bias tape. The sleeves are the same measurement, so it's good. I will work on the hems now for the shirt, and I put also bias tape here. I couldn't use the original hem because it was too rough. And now I add a wavy trim to give personality to my handmade shirt. And this is the shirt. It is wider now. I know it's not perfect, but it's a great piece. And I wanted to add pockets, but I realized I need more practice. So I decided to stop here and continue in the next video. If you want to see how I finish this top, please subscribe and watch part 2. Thanks for watching.